Good morning. So finally on the way. The weather is so-so, unfortunately. But I hope that it will be great time. I did so far 2 kilometers and I can tell you yesterday I got information that the way is like this. And it is. All the time up. So I'm a little bit tired after 1 kilometer of hiking, and this way we're getting higher and higher. And it's right now a deep forest, and it's quite difficult. Look, how to get there. We have to go up. So it's not easy for me. This is the place that here I took a detour, and this is the original path. And it was really sleepy, moody. OMG. It was not so easy for me, and my shoes, look, are quite interesting. Yeah, isn't it? Finally, the last line. 15 minutes. This is the last way that we have to follow. It's really nice. Look at my shoes. Yeah. Beautiful, isn't it? And I did this path this way. So a little bit extreme, but I'm really happy to be here, to walk and to enjoy the nature. And totally unexpected situations. So for example, fallen trees, impossible to go through, finding detours. And welcome. The first mountains are here. The stone mountains. So almost at the destination. I hope so. Yeah. We'll see right now. If I have to climb here, I'm freaking out. Really, if I had to do this, I don't know how to handle that. I don't know. But we'll see. It's here. Look. So I have to climb there. Safety first. I put my harness, check all connections, look where I should go. Put the helmet, and it's the first step. First step to reach the peak. Every time you have to see how to climb, and do not forget about using the clips to protect you. The climbing is quite similar like in a climbing in parks, but with this different that you have to protect by yourself. The metal rope is to protect you. By Via Ferrata AB you don't even have to use any kind of harness, but I strictly recommend you to use it. Climbing wasn't very difficult, and in the matter of time I reached the peak. I did my first Via Ferrata climbing. So finally I reached the peak. It's white, as you can see, everywhere, but it's really nice, and it's quite calm. It's calm. The view is like that. Nothing is able to see. There's
Right now, the drone is here. I did it. Mini Mavic Pro 1. This one is not a good drone to fly in the mountains. Too high, too dangerous, and yeah, it crashed. Some points are maybe not so damaged.
Walking down is more dangerous than climbing. You have to be more carefully and take care about every step. Also, this what was different, I can tell you, more people just started to climb, and it was very difficult to switch on the wall with them.
The view. And the view is wonderful. As you can see. Right now we are making a detour. A different way. We'll see. I'm really done. I didn't suppose that it will take so much from me to hike. I thought that it would be much more easier, but not really. And I also took a extra detour. Right now we have 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers. And I think I have to do the last one to the car. Then change the clothes and off we go. Finally. But it was good. So after hiking, the best is to drink beer without alcohol. So Prost. It was a good time.